Let me ask you a question. Are you tired of building the same old websites that everyone else does and clients don't like? Want to create experiences that blow their mind? Let's be real. The website design and e-commerce game is getting more competitive by the day. If you're stuck building cookie cutter websites, you're missing out on massive opportunities. My name is Jack Amadei, and I'm the founder and creator of BizRise.io. I created Optimize Your Process, a 21-day workshop with me to show you my no-code, low-code blueprint to creating AI-powered web apps that will transform your business overnight. Forget about struggling to find new clients. You can build custom web apps that are not only visually stunning, but also optimize a process, which is how you really make AI effective. Stand out from the competition with cutting-edge web app solutions. Attract more high-paying clients, increase your revenue, and create unforgettable experiences. Ready to level up and expand your website design or e-commerce business? Join the AI Factory, our free educational community, and schedule your onboarding call today. Let's create the future together.